Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into use Microsoft 365 productivity app, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into View More with new zoom options for Timeline in Microsoft Project, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Zoom in Project. Delivering team projects on time is often a challenge, especially longer-range projects. The Timeline View in Project for the web is a powerful feature that can help your team visualize progress and ease time completion dates. We're excited to share that the Timeline View now supports additional zoom options. You can now zoom out years further than before. You gave us feedback that the maximum zoom of 1 year was not enough to visualize long-term projects. So we added 4 new zoom options to our Timeline View in increments of 1.5 years, 2 years, 3 years, and 6 years. To use these new zoom options, you can open any project and navigate to the Timeline View. You can then click and drag the zoom button to your desired level of zoom. These zoom levels also apply to the Export to PDF feature, so you will now be able to export long-term projects in a clear and concise format. With these new options, you can now easily visualize long projects. The introduction of new zoom options for the Timeline in Microsoft Project significantly enhances usability and productivity. By allowing users to view projects at different levels of detail effortlessly, these features provide a more comprehensive and streamlined project management experience. Whether managing small tasks or large-scale projects, these enhancements empower teams to work smarter and stay on track more effectively. Microsoft Project continues to evolve, ensuring that project managers have the best tools available to manage their work efficiently.